After watching yung kanilang mga discussion and all that, sino sa palagay mo yung pinaka nangibabaw at sa palagay mo ay dapat makakuha ng title na winner ng head-to-head challenge?
I would go for...
Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
And Nylene!
For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang naging last and final round or statement ng ating top 3 finalists for the head-to-head challenge ng Miss World Philippines 2024 for ni Dolly, Bianca, and also Jasmine Omay. So, without any further ado, let's watch this.
What is your dream role to address one particular global issue that's closest to your heart that demands the most urgent concern in the world?
Apart from inclusive education, it is actually something that I just spoke about, which is sustainability. I think we really have to give back to our earth. We are blessed enough to live on this beautiful earth that has been given us to God, and it is up to us to take care of it. It is up to us to give back and to recycle and to take care of our animals and to take care of the environment that we live in, so that we can wake up every day and be grateful for everything that is around us. It is up to us to give back to our Mother Nature, because again, this is all of us living fortunately to be given a life, and it is our duty to take care of our environment, our animals, and one another. Thank you so much.
I like it kasi parang she's very consistent dun sa concern niya about Mother Earth's statement niya. Hindi pa bago-bago.
Ibig sabihin, hindi siya yung para lang may masabi siya or so meron talaga siyang kumbaga nag-stick
yun talaga yung nasa
siya.
puso niya na parang close talaga sa heart niya na advocacy or action na gagawin.
Gusto ko sa kanya, she chooses the right words like fortunately living in this earth, di ba? Ang galing niya.
The most vital role that I can have is by being a responsible citizen and lawyer. The most common or the biggest issue that we're facing is the war all around the world. And there is no real victor in war. It has affected so many countries. It has affected the Philippines, and that is why we are having very high inflation rate in the countries, and the poor become poorer. By being a lawyer and by being a responsible citizen, I can actually teach people and educate people about their rights, how to fight for it, and to stand up for justice, and to never be blinded by anything that is against their will, and fight for the people. Thank you very much.
Grabe.
Gusto ko
Isa din sa super consistent na talagang lawyer siya, yung perspective of a lawyer.
And it's very realistic. It's not something na hindi niya pa nagagawa siguro in the past. Kasi for sure, nagawa niya na. Nakikita natin sa comments na maraming na din siyang natulungan. Parang, kumbaga, meron ng mga testimony na mabait talaga yan, na tumutulong talaga siya sa mga IPs natin sa Bukidnon. Yun pala, gusto kong i-correct yung Bansa Lumad, lawyer. Ang meaning pala ng Bansa is pride. So, Lumad, parang, kumbaga, the pride of Lumad. Yun pala yung Bansa Lumad lawyer. And yeah, so congratulations for being so consistent and makita mo talaga yung authenticity, yung puso niya. Kasi nandun yung yung grit, yung eagerness. Like, diba?
Oo, kasi parang pinapakita niya na, di ba, yung question kasi, anong role mo, ganyan. Wala na.
Starts from you.
Start from you talaga. Kung ano talaga yung ginagawa niya, yung role niya sa mundo ngayon, yun dun na mag-start yung kanyang
without
campaign.
involving others. Tama ka dun, partner. Kasi nga yung tanong, role mo. Charot. Talk show.
It would have to be solving education, or that would be my goal. Because my advocacy that's closest to my heart is the Bahay na Papel project, which aims to give indigenous communities a chance for education. And we were able to do that. I was able to take the first step through making partnerships last week. And I know that I am close to my goal, and I was close to making it come true because of Miss World Philippines. And being here is a testament of how we can always achieve greater heights together by bringing the purpose in this platform and to share it with a lot of people, and that we can help them as well. Thank you.
very consistent din siya. We love a consistent queen. After watching yung kanilang mga discussion and all that, sino sa palagay mo yung pinaka nang ibabaw at sa palagay mo ay dapat makakuha ng title na winner ng head-to-head challenge?
I would go for Dali Cruz.
Ako rin. Like, deserve niya talaga. Deserve niya talaga yung head-to-head challenge na to, in all fairness. Kasi, kahit na tinitechnical niya tayo or binibigyan niya tayo ng mga highfalutin siguro na terminologies which is not common to the common people or to the average citizen ng ating community. But then again, she made sure na yung mga sagot niya sa kada round, each round is very relevant. It's, you know, answering a common problem. Kumbaga, nagbibigay siya ng solution sa bawat bawat worries, gano'n and all that.
Napaka-importante kasi nun kasi parang tinitrain sila na if ever na they would have a seat in the parang UN, ganyan, consortium or any other international na mga
mas malaking
conferences,
conference.
kaya nilang i-left yung kung ano mang advocacy yung tawag dito, pinaglalaban nila as well as to provide solutions, solid and realistic solutions. And which is kaya ni Attorney Dali Cruz.
Ganon. Kaya mo rin.
No. Kaya ka ba?
Of course, if given a chance. Okay. And so yun lang. And yan, nakakatuwa. Again and again, sobrang kudos sa Miss World Philippines organization for, you know, stepping up yung kanilang mga challenges, yung kanilang mga activities to get this queens prepared if ever na sila mag-represent ng Philippines sa international stage. Kasi hindi biro yung mga pinagdadaanan nila and all the challenges. Alam mo yun, it's very vital to the improvement of their personality. Sobrang beyond or after the Miss World Philippines, for sure magbabago yung buhay nila kahit wala man silang corona.
Sana yung mga ibang platform, they don't think this as a branding lang itong gantong way of gauging the candidates is for Miss World. Sana i-adapt din ng iba para talaga makita kung sino talaga yung deserving dun sa...
Tsaka magkaroon talaga ng purpose, magkaroon talaga ng added value yung national pageant na yun.
Oo. Yun nga na sana naman, di ba, ganito din yung makita nating gisahan when it comes to elections. Di ba?
Parang mas political. So thank you so much, guys.
Hindi kasi
mas
ginigisa natin yung mga beauty queens pero yung mga politicians natin parang...
Which is true naman and yeah. So let's not go deeper into that. Kayo na bahala. Matatanda na kayo. But anyhow, thank you so much at sinamahan niyo kami sa nagdaang video. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!